My name is Jose Yagi Luz, and I am a plant manager at AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR in Merida, Mexico. Started operations in January 2022. AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR is dedicated to manufacturing sportswear focused mainly in the United States market, although we export to different parts of the world. Our production is characterized by being individual or small orders, and everything is produced and exported from Mexico.
Hello, my name is Edgar Ramirez, Maintenance Manager for AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR in Merida. The main feature of this application is that it helps keep the sewing machine equipment in its most optimal condition since it arrived. And I think that ShuHaRi is useful for that. Additionally, ShuHaRi helped AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR minimize machine downtime, save on spare parts, and save on the logistics of the technical department. That's why, based on our experience, we are sure that ShuHaRi will give great results in a small period of time. The maintenance application ShuHaRi is a proactive advancement for any maintenance department in the sewn products industry. Our experience with ShuHaRi is that it is very practical. One practical feature is the time it saves us when ordering spare parts. Currently, when an opportunity to fix a machine is detected, the request for spare parts can be made immediately in the ShuHaRi application.
Hello, I am Engineer Edgar Gonzalez and I represent Dimensa. Dimensa is a local JUKI distributor in Merida, Yucatan, Mexico. We were introduced to ShuHaRi by JUKI America's sales team. It was easy to implement the maintenance application, ShuHaRi, at AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR. To implement, the commitment of all three is required. This includes JUKI America, which is the sewing machine equipment supplier, second, the official distributor, and third, is the company where ShuHaRi will be applied to. This level of commitment and collaboration will result in a good ending. The plant should provide its mechanics with good equipment to use the maintenance application, ShuHaRi. This includes a cell phone or tablet.
Hello, my name is Jose Angel Basilis Mendez, Chief Mechanic at AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR. I find the ShuHaRi application very useful, especially the maintenance portion that helps us to order spare parts on time and keep the sewing machines at 100%. ShuHaRi helps us to have fewer failures due to down sewing machines. In addition, more cleaning is done to the machines, and we have the ability to ask for authentic spare parts on time. One suggestion is that in the application ShuHaRi, we would like to see other models implemented.
In my 27 years of experience in the apparel and textile industry, I have learned that to keep a sewing machine equipment in its most optimal condition, preventative maintenance must be done every 30 days, at a minimum. AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR currently has 38 stations with about 12 sewing machines each. From those 38 stations, we have a night shift team in charge of the preventative maintenance procedure using ShuHaRi. We implemented this because, during the day, when the machines are in use, it is a little bit difficult to perform maintenance like ShuHaRi would like us to do. Therefore, the night shift will perform maintenance on a single module every night. The maintenance performed could be 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year, depending on what the machine needs, according to ShuHaRi's recommendations. From our experience at AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR, we recommend using a tablet that is connected to the plant's network. In our case, it is connected to AUGUSTA SPORTSWEAR's Wi-Fi network. On this tablet, we have the ShuHaRi application installed with all the maintenance information. When you open the ShuHaRi app, the large screen helps to see detailed information. That's why we highly recommend using a tablet for maintenance when using ShuHaRi.
In conclusion, since Augusta Sportswear started the project, we have been working together with JUKI as the main supply of our sewing equipment. It has definitely been a great partnership. The quality of the equipment and the service has helped us to have a good performance in the last few years. Our results have been growing during all the time we have been collaborating. And apart from that, the implementation of ShuHaRi had a very strong impact on the performance of our maintenance team. We thank JUKI and our distributor, Dimensa, for being by our side and helping us grow. And we hope to continue growing in the future.